back to my channel. I'm Priyanka and today's video is going to be a fun haul from Sell It Cost. A lot of you guys had left comments asking me to try out Sell It Cost, and I think I did a video on another app which is similar to Club Factory. It's called Yay3. If you missed that video, then I'll link it here. So under that video there were a lot of comments telling me about Sell It Cost and asking me to try it out ASAP and all that. So they finished their first sale and currently the orders are closed. So their next sale is apparently starting in March. So luckily, after a lot of you guys messaged, I was thinking of ordering it, but by then the sale did not begin. But luckily I got them in PR, so I did not purchase these, but I was sent these for review, and I think that serves the purpose anyway, because I get to try them out and tell you guys how they are and the quality and everything else. So this app is also very similar to Club Factory, as you guys might have seen several videos on YouTube. The only difference is that the pricing is like super low. And how is that possible? They say that they get them directly from manufacturers. So this is the cost which does not include the shipping and the taxes and all those things. So basically that's how the pricing is very low. They have products starting at like 2 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees and all that, so which is like crazy. So I'll try and keep it really fast, but also some people may not know it, so the information will be here. So the shipping is apparently calculated based on the weight. So irrelevant, the prices are super low, but when you check out at the end near the cart, it will show you the actual price that's going to cost you, which includes the shipping and taxes and all those things. So let me just start off and tell you guys what all I got with the individual prices here, and at the end I'll also tell you guys what it costed, what it costs in total. And they also tend to deliver in about 15 days or so, but mine took longer. Apparently that was like a spring break or something like that, so some of the vendors were not sending out products, shipping out products, so mine did get a little delayed. I think it took almost a month for me to receive it, so the first sale got ended by then. So I have a bunch of things here, and usually these websites have like good accessories, but I wanted to try out different things, so I did order a bunch of clothing pieces too, so that you'll have an idea as to what exactly you can expect. So firstly, I start off with these sunglasses. These are those retro glasses which are like super small, and yeah, they look quite different and nice, so I guess they'll look nice for pictures and everything. And they're super inexpensive. They're just for 57 rupees. I think that's a steal. So if you're looking to get something like this just for Instagram pictures, then this is like a great option, and the quality is decent. It's not like too flimsy, it'll not break easily. Even if you pick up something like this from Kolaba or Hill Road, then this is pretty much the quality that you would see. So yeah, this one's pretty great. And then next up I got this net skirt, which is like a tulle skirt. I love the color, and also the price was quite decent. Actually it's really low unless you find something like this in street shopping. Color is slightly darker. It's actually mint blue. I think it looks a little lighter in this one. So the quality is also quite decent. It has lining inside. It has 2 layers of net and this sort of stretchable lining, and this is what it looks like. It is going to be a little bit below my knees, and this one is like a one size thing. It'll fit anyone from like XS to I guess large, or maybe XL too. But yeah, the material is actually quite nice. I'm quite impressed with this. I think for the pricing, like, I just can't ask for more. And size wise, I think that's fairly decent. It will not just fit XS and medium. A lot of times when it says one size, it doesn't fit large also. It just fits small and medium mostly. But I think that's a pretty good one size wise too. And the next one is this legging sort of thing. It's actually like a denim material. It's stretchable and it's like the denim kind of material, and this is what the pants look like, the trousers rather, and this is the work at the bottom. I hope you can see them clearly. Yeah, basically it has pearl and lace work and looks really pretty, but the size does look small. I think it will fit only small. I'm not really sure about medium also, but because it's stretchable, maybe it is possible, but it's definitely not going to fit me, one thing. And the other thing is that it does have some stain. It has like a spot of orange stain here. Not really sure if it's going to be visible, but yeah, there's one right here and there's one at the back. I think while packaging or while transferring there was something which stained it. I don't think it's a stain which is because it's used or anything. Just that the size is a little iffy, and it would definitely fit someone with XS, small, or even probably medium. Next up, I actually got a baby dress. Actually, I wanted to fit the budget of a certain thing and I couldn't find anything else in my size. So yeah, this is a baby dress, infant dress in fact, and it looks so pretty. It has these flowers here, and yeah, basically it's just a top or a dress, and yeah, I think it's quite nice. The quality is quite good. It almost feels like what you can buy in Lifestyle or H&M, so yeah, it's a good one. Completely forgot to mention the price for leggings. Okay, the leggings were a little bit expensive. It says 1100. I think you can get something like that for 500 or 600 at the most. 1100 is a little bit pricey. At least that's what it says right now. I'm not sure if it was lower when I got it. And this dress is just for 94 rupees, which is like crazy because it's quite a good quality. This is the last thing which I got from Sell at Cost, and this is a piece of accessory which currently is tangled. Look at this, it's such a pretty chain, and the quality is really good, similar to anything that you would buy from like Club Factory or expect from any of these apps. It has like a coin and it has like 3 layers. It looks really pretty, and it's for 22 rupees, which is amazing. I think that's a very good price. Even at your local markets, you will not be able to get it for that price. I think for some video which I made, a lot of you guys were asking if these sort of jewelry actually last or if they become dark. So if you put it in covers like this and don't mix it with other accessories, either this or like if you wrap it in like a paper, like how you see them in silver jewelry shops and all, then they don't get spoiled. And also when we sweat and all that, it does get spoiled, so you should let them dry out after that, after we wear them, and then wrap it in paper and put it inside. If we mix them with other accessories or if we leave them open, obviously they will get spoiled easily. So that was it. Those are all the things which I got from Sell at Cost. So I tried out different products to see. Overall, I think the quality is pretty good and the prices are of course amazing, and I think a good picks from this would be accessories, stationery, those kind of things. And clothing also, I don't think the quality is bad, but sizing can be a bit of a problem if you wear XL or double XL like me. So in Indian sizes I wear XL or double XL in any site, usual Indian sites or even something like Shein or other sites too. So but otherwise I think the quality of the products is pretty good. So now coming to what it actually costs after taxes and shipping and all that. So I'm going to add a couple of products and tell you guys. Since some of these are out of stock, I'm unable to add them. So I randomly added a bunch of products, and the total without taxes and shipping is 1238 rupees. So when you check out, it actually calculates the shipping and all that. So I've moved to the shipping part of it, and now it says the total is 2474 rupees. So the actual price of the goods that we're going to purchase is 1200 and change, and the shipping is 255 and tax is 800, and then there's advertising fee, shipping and all that. So it says you saved about 645 rupees compared to other apps. Yeah, if you're buying something which is worth 1000 change, then it will be, your total will be 2000 something. So that's about it. I hope this video was helpful and I hope this was a fun haul. Let me know in the comments below what others you would like to watch, and if you ordered from Sell at Cost, let me know in the comments below how your experience was, so that everybody else also gets to know. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, give this video a like, and I upload every Monday and Thursday. I do a lot of fashion related videos and a lot of women centric videos which are fun and also informative. So click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of these videos, and I'll also leave my Instagram handle here and we can stay connected there as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.